All right, come on, baby. Come on. You guys are really playing with our emotions here. It's toying with me. It's toying with me. Come on, baby. Looks like we got this. Ooh, another trade that was. Whew. Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another trading session. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Warren, and in this channel, I show you how to trade binary options slowly, safely, and effectively so you don't lose your entire investment. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's go. All right, guys. So as always, we're using pocket option. But before I show you guys the strategy and how to use these indicators that I'm going to be using for today, I'm going to do a withdrawal. So currently my balance is $262. So to do a withdrawal, just go to Finance, Withdrawal, and then we'll take out 152. So the minimum withdrawal amount here is $70. And we're using Bitcoin. I think you have all these other choices too, but Bitcoin is what I use. And I'm gonna take out 152. Now the Bitcoin address, that's obviously your exchange, or in my case, I'm gonna be using Cash App. And I use Cash App for small withdrawals like this. And they do have a limit, like the exchanges as well, whether it's Coinbase or anything like that. Cash App, I believe it's $1,200 a day, although I have not used Cash App for that much withdrawals. Use Coinbase or other, or Ledger's even better if you have external. And that's what I recommend you use to withdraw Bitcoin. But since we're only taking out $152, I'm going to use Cash App. It is quicker and a lot easier, in my opinion, than the exchanges. Same idea, but since it's a small amount and I want it quick, we'll use Cash App. So that's where you'll put whatever exchange. And if you're using Cash App, you put the Bitcoin address here. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I pasted my Bitcoin address from my Cash App. So the only thing with Cash App though is you would have to paste the receiving Bitcoin address into an email and then send it to yourself and then paste it here, as opposed to the other exchanges. You don't have to do that extra step. But like I said, even with all that, I still think it's faster. So just pasted my Cash App right now and then just hit continue. Now, depending on how often that you've withdrawn and within the week, and then sometimes I don't know, sometimes this doesn't come up, but depending on the size or the amount that you're trying to withdraw, and like I said, how many times you're withdrawing, they'll ask for a PIN code, and that's easy. You just go to your email and then PIN coin right here. Then you just add the PIN code that they give you just to verify, and then hit continue. And then you want to see this: withdrawal request has been sent. Your request has been queued. You will receive the funds within a few business days. So that's very important. Now, I don't work for Pocket Options, so sometimes I've seen withdrawals come the same business day, depending on the time of day that you're trading. In my case, I'm trading early in the morning, so I usually see it the same day. Sometimes I see it the next day. Sometimes it's 2 days, and then the amount doesn't matter. Sometimes when I withdraw $700, I see it the same day, or sometimes the next day. So you just have to wait. And I'd say after a week, if you haven't seen your funds yet, regardless of how much it is, contact them. They're pretty good about responding back. So, hopefully it doesn't take that long, because I've never seen it that long before, but that's what you should do if you have a problem or if you're concerned about not getting your money. But I've never had a problem with them depositing my money into my account. So if there's a time, I'll let you guys know. But so far, I've been getting my withdrawals. So can't really complain there. Alrighty. So with that said, now let's get ahead with the strategy here. So as always, we are gonna use OTC pairs because they're the highest payouts. But if you have a chance to use the regular markets, do so, whatever's more comfortable for you. I just like OTC pairs because more money. Okay, we're going to use candlesticks. Go to the candlesticks button here. Candles, make sure it's at 15 seconds, and then enable timer, disable auto scroll. That's just a preference. You can turn that on if you want. Enable grid snap. And then we are going to vary with our expiration time. It's not going to just be 1 minute. It could be 30 seconds even. And that's the other thing why I like OTC currency pairs, because I can go as low as 5 seconds for my expiration times, although much more risky if you go lower than 1 minute. But I can at least have that option if I want to. Can't do that with regular currency pairs. So I think 1 minute is the minimum expiration. But it will vary in this strategy because we're using 15 seconds, but we don't know based on the market behavior on the expiration times we'll be using. So that's why it could be 1 minute or even 5 minutes. So don't matter with 1 minute. Go to the indicator tab here, or the button, click that, and we are going to use alligator. Just one indicator today. That's really all you need, is one indicator. Don't make your chart too busy with all these indicators, because in the end of the day, like I always say, indicators are just secondary anyway to your market or to your technical analysis. And then we may be using horizontal line a lot here for support and resistance zones. So, but I do want to change the settings of my alligator. The other colors doesn't matter, but make sure it's in default 13, 8, 8, 5, 5, and 3. Just use the default settings. But I do want them to be a little thicker, or really thick. Let's just make this too thick. And then I'm gonna match the teeth and the jaws together with the same color, because all that really matters is the lips. So hit save. And I say that because if you want to take a call position, you want to wait until the lips here, the white moving average, to cross the other two moving averages on the up direction, and making sure, what happened there? Whoa. What happened there? That's a first. I don't know what happened there. Let's do that again. That's weird. Freaky. Alright. So rude, guys. I'm trying to explain something here. Alright, anyway, like I was saying, if you want to do a call position, you will want the lips to cross the other two moving averages on the up direction and parallel to each other, spread out like this. Let's go ahead and mark so you know what I'm talking about. So you see this? See, it's going up. And we also know that's going up because we have a support zone here. So it just touches the support zone, and then you got the cross, and then it's parallel to each other and going on an up direction. So that's for the call position, yeah? All right. And then for the put position, it's pretty much the opposite. So again, using your technical analysis also, we'll want, for this put position, we'll want the price to hit the resistance area, and then again waiting for the cross going downwards. So And you can do, like I said, another 1 minute to 3 minute put position. And also making sure that the moving averages are parallel to each other, like so. That's it, really. That's our strategy for today. That's how we're going to trade for today. And let's hope we can make a little bit of money. And even though if we don't today, if we lose, we're only going to lose a maximum of 2 times. That's our strategy, and try to win 3 in a row. We're going to use compounding method here. So putting our money back. And that's the fastest way to make a profit with binary options, but it's also very risky and very emotionally draining. You can do 3 in a row, and then if on the 4th trade you want to do another one, and you can lose it all with that 4th trade. So only do that if you're really confident in your methods. So let's go ahead and find a chart and start trading right now. But we are going to start with $5. That's risk management right there. We don't want to use all our deposit, and that's the reason why I left an extra $10, because even if we lose 2 times today, in other words, if we lose the $10, we at least still have $100 for the next time. So let's go ahead and find a decent chart here. Take your time when you're doing this, by the way. I think I have something good here. Now I'm going to wait for the cross, as I said, but this is an uptrend. This is uptrend right here, because you got the price going upwards, and then you got the moving averages going up. And then you have a support zone here, right? So you got also the higher highs right here, higher highs, higher highs. So I'm confident this is going to go up, and it is going to touch the resistance area, but it has a ways to go. So let it drop a little bit and then go up. So 2 minutes, it's going to touch the resistance area, possibly even break it. So you got your resistance area right here, right there. And because of the behavior of the candle, maybe 2 minutes might have been too long, but like I said, it was going to break it, and it did. And let's just hope it stays that way and we win this trade. So let's skip ahead, and hopefully we win the trade and go to our next one, and hopefully we profit. So let's do this. Okay, we have a few seconds left. It's kind of nerve-wracking right now. I was right, 1 minute would have been sufficient. But thankfully it's slowing down, and we're about to win this right now. There we go. Boom. Whew. That was actually kind of nerve-wracking, because I didn't think it was going to go down like that. But I think any longer it would have been a loss. And that just shows you that not always using long expiration times is sufficient, because as you can see, 3 minute would have, I would have lost that, or even if I waited a few more seconds. So yeah, 1 minute should have been enough, but I'm not complaining. We won. Winning is winning. So let's go ahead and find another chart. I am fixing my currency pairs here because the price has changed. We're still good there. So that's something you want to also look for, is make sure of is the payout stays the same. So let's go ahead and find another chart. All right, looks like we found something here. We're gonna go low, do another one right there. So that's a little bit more than our compounding method, but reason why I chose this is we got the support, or not support, yeah, supports right here, and then you have a resistance right here. And then I was scrolling back, and seeing the overall direction of the chart, and it was more ranging. But I saw that the lips crossed and the price is going down. Now, it could possibly go back up if it hits this inner support right here or even down here. But I believe it's going to touch this support here eventually, whether it does hit these support areas or not. So that's why I left it at 2 minutes. But again, be prepared if it goes the other direction as it's doing right now. See, it hit that inner support. But hopefully 2 minutes was enough, because we do have like a downtrend going here on here. So there's a chance it might still hit the lower support. But this is a situation where a 3 minute or even 5 minute might be more safe. But looks like my analysis is going well so far. This could be a small flat, so I'm not too excited yet. And we only have a few seconds. Anything can happen. This could like bounce back up and then I lose both trades. So hopefully that's not the case. And let's skip ahead real quick here, and hopefully we win this. Let's go. All right, come on, baby. Come on. You guys are really playing with our emotions here. It's toying with me. It's toying with me. Come on, baby. Looks like we got this. Ooh, another trade that was... I knew it was going down, but yeah, that could have gone up and hit these inner support levels and go back up, you know. So good thing we did our analysis correctly. Again, we're going to compound. So I actually did the math wrong, but we're going to do it right this time. 3260 is for our last trade. Let's find a good chart to trade on our last one. All right, we're back on our first chart here, and let's do 1 minute this time, because I think this is gonna go up to the resistance and even break it. And I think this time 1 minute is enough. So again, it's an up direction. Let me mark it for you. It's an up direction, and it just hit the support area, and the lips across the other moving averages going upwards, and then you got the resistance area here. So yep, this is a few more seconds. Anything can happen though. I'm not going to be too excited, but it broke it like I said it would. And then let's see if we win this last trade. Let's go. All right, looks like we're going to win this one, and this last trade is even better than the last two. And that was a good, I love candles like this when it's just way ahead and away from the danger zone. So, but our analysis was correct. And as you can see there, the entire time I've been using technical analysis and using the alligator as just a guide. So, but I already knew, like I said, for this chart, I was still gonna go up, but I put the right expiration time this time. And if I did the 2 minutes again, which I probably could still win that, but it would have been close again like the first time. And I didn't want to have, see, as you can see, the candles are starting to go back down. So I was just seeing the patterns of the candles, the patterns of the chart, the direction of the chart, and then I used the alligator indicator as a guide to the direction. It's a directional, it's a trending indicator. So, but yeah, see, 2 minutes, I probably would have lost that, or I probably would have been close to losing that. So glad I used 1 minute this time, and we got our profit, and we won 3 in a row. And that left us with a $57.59 profit with a withdrawal on the way. So good trading day today. And, you know, I can't complain when days are like this. So let's go ahead and change our investment back to $5 for the next day. All right, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that and hope you find this indicator useful and helpful in your trading journey. So if you enjoyed this video, as always, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified for more videos just like this. And as always, guys, stay safe, take care of your investment, be careful, and you will profit with binary options. So until the next video, take care. God bless. Bye.